Yeah, Luigi. Hey, Uncut. Let me put up some music. Ugh. It's so warm here. I think I'm sick today. I am blessed. Wait, did someone write me? Oh, it's my mom. Wait. My mom just wrote me. Oh. Can't respond right now. I'll respond to her after stream. Hello, Beta. No, actually I should respond to her right now. Wait, let me respond to my mom real quick. I hate phones. Erika, what does barely alive mean? It means I'm barely alive. I'm just feeling pretty sick today. That's all. Hello, James. Because V's don't exist in the game yet, James. Hello, Pat Kinky. I still have to add V's to the font. I don't know how long I can stream today. I'm just feeling very sick and my mom's writing me still. Alright. Genshinet, I'm very sorry, Skyloft. So two of these stairs are right next to each other, and I don't like that. Hello, Zara. Was that a fucking worse, unironically? Invasive popples and ants everywhere. Well, I'm just bothered because phones never shut up. And it's annoying to type on phones. See, two of these do that, and the rest seems fine. So why do two of these do this? Sounds like a Rayman work. What's a Rayman rock? Wait, I have to answer my mom. Let's see, why would I do this? They are all evenly spaced apart in the code. And I do delete the original object. And I might have to return here. Let's see if timer equals opacity. And timer is being set to... Oh, it's this -1 actually. So that's actually not awful. Well, I'm sorry that I have to write my mom so much, but I can't just ignore my mom. The answer is that it's not done. Please, no stupid questions today. As you can see, I am still programming on it. So we set the timer to this number here, right? What does this number do for us, really? Why would we have this number? Isn't this number stupid? I think it is. Wait, is it? No, it's not. This time actually, this number actually makes sense. Yeah, it's kind of Sirena Beach. I was thinking that too. Rayman has rocks with patterns and all. Huh? What looks like this? I don't see anything that looks like this. Plenty of stupid prepared for today. Are ready to just be stupid. I feel like when I stream, I should more care about me having fun than you guys having fun. And I think me having fun will cause you guys to have more fun. It's a win-win. The weird beach on the stone? And the weird stones on the beach? I have no idea what you're talking about, but we can look at them in a bit. And then you guys can tell me, or then you can tell me what it is. Okay, so what could be causing two steps to be very close to each other? It has to be the timer being wrong somewhere. The Y offset is always 250 multiplied by B perm 2. No, I'm just feeling sick today, droid. I couldn't do my workout today. I did 2 reps of 380 pound deadlift and I instantly was like, you know what, no, today I can't do it. My brain just couldn't. I haven't skipped a workout day in 2 years or so, but today I realized like I definitely need a break. I think it's important to know when to rest too. True, line 134. No, for real, this is very weird. Right, so what we do is, here we set the maximum timer at which it resets. And then here we set the current offset, which is how much the object moves within this amount of frames. And that should be correct. But one of them has to be wrong. We could try something like this and just see what happens. Because now there should be a hole somewhere, and if the hole is exactly the step that is wrong, then we know that the tile ID 0 is wrong, or tile ID 1. Nope, that was not it. You can see that there's like a bigger gap between, actually no, the gap is always the same. This is weird. Is there a duplicate here? I mean, there's some inaccuracy with setting the timer to 0 and then it instantly resets to 1. But is that it? No, actually that shouldn't matter. I mean, the opacity looks like it's being set the right thing, so the only thing that can be wrong is the timer. Wait a second. I set this to 2.5 instead of 5. Oh my god. Well, that was a dumb mistake. If that was actually line 134, then I'm very surprised. Alright, now it works properly. It goes too far though. Alright, perfect. We just gotta set this to a lower value now. 4 steps is probably preferable anyway, because the less we render, the more performance we gain. German healthcare system is sure great. Wait, how many fucking things did I spawn here? It should be 4. Oh, level did not export fast enough. Why, what did that health system do for you today, Zero? When he popped up 2 months ago, made an appointment with the doctor the next day. So 2 months ago, look at it 2 months later, I got the doctor. Once I was wrong, since the next doctor went to the doctor, couldn't help me once I sent to the first doctor. Yeah, that's my experience too. When my wrist was fucked, I went to the first doctor and they just gave me painkillers, told me to keep working out. And that made it worse. I went to the same doctor again, told the doctor, hey, you made it worse. This was bad. And then she sent me to another doctor. Went to the other doctor. They did a scan of my hand. They told me, we can't find anything on the scan. There's one of 2 possibilities of what it could be. You should do an MRT in another city very far away. And I told them, okay, Assuming that one of the two things is wrong, one of the two things that you claim could be it, what would be the treatment? And he just refused to tell me. So I googled the things and I just did the treatment myself and my hand got better. TLDR, doctors are fucking idiots. I don't think you can BLG off of those. Discord. Raymond rocks. That's the same as these here. I just didn't vertex color them yet. You see that? Would it be smart if you were a doctor? I don't know. Over 20 frames, we can drop 110 times. Wait, is that how you calculate it? And then you multiply by 4, that's 440 coordinates. Whoops. In the end, doctors are also just people. I wish that we could get to a point where instead of doctors, we would just have AI diagnosis. Because doctors are too fallible. Alright, interesting. Something about what I did was wrong. Cool is your doctor. I don't think that's a good idea either. Next time Alexa play will let the dark side and I've been running will work. It might. That's a funny concept. This is just like 20 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 2, right? 10 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 2. Why would it not be that? Am I wrong on this? It seems that I'm wrong, but I don't know why. Part of this looks great, but my offset's wrong. So this is a half x squared, correct? A half multiplied by 2x multiplied by x. What does Google say? Can I just input like x equals 20? It's exactly 400? It is. Why is it 400? Oh well. Hello Tessa. Did you change your name from Tess was here to Tess N64? Is that the same person? I'm going to stalk you right now. I couldn't find out anything useful. It is the same person. Stalking complete. Maybe 1.5 is enough. 1.5 is enough. Todd is doing it again. What is he doing? What's Todd Boy doing this time? Oh my god, it's Biobag. I've seen so many AI generated green texts today and they're all hilarious. Slowly the world is being opened up to AI. We had DALL-E and now we have the text generation AI. I kinda like this. This is cozy. Be me, concrete drinker. Oh, the Nomi Orbit. I know that GPT-3 is older. I mean, there's already an AI that can, like, you can just give it a test from school in like 3rd grade or something and it can just answer it all correctly. Like you just give it the test, the text, and it answers correctly within text in fluent English, which is completely insane. I really like this effect here. What is AI Dungeon? I've seen your thing on Twitter. I've seen exactly this. I've seen that, and I don't know why I've seen it, but I have. I don't need to follow you on Twitter to see it. I hear you, but I'm not entirely convinced that this type of drawing could really exist on an island inhabited by Yoshis. Well, it's not inhabited by Yoshis. Koopas live here. There was something about this that I wanted to change and I don't know what. Oh well. Do you plan on changing the grass thing? Yeah, I think it's really ugly. Hello Jinxie. Jinxie, I couldn't use your texture. I think the contrast on your texture is not great. I think it's better on the old one. I think you gotta make the... What's the color? It's like FF20C0 but darker. How's that color called? Right, I gotta change the way it spawns in. Lavender? Ha. Yeah, it's gotta be a dark, deep purple though. I'm not quite sure why they spawn in too high. Can't you just like take a screenshot? Like right here? It's pretty much these two colors here. That's what we want. Perfect opportunity for a screenshot. What's the one thing that you would critique? Oh, whoops, I changed it in the wrong direction. Is it even possible to make this high enough? The name is something you wanna critique? Alright, so this can work, I just gotta find the right value. Which we could mathematically determine, but no. Yeah, I imagine it's easier for you to take a screenshot than it is to download the screenshot that I would send you. We're saving both of us work this way. Okay, what would cause them to be offset to the wrong location? I don't know. You're just dumb. Hello, Jimbo. Thoughts on having modern Coconut Mall escalate instead of these stairs? Like over the entire thing here? We'd have to edit the geometry a lot for that, I think. It sounds difficult to make pretty, to be honest. It's a bit easier for me to work with. The first one. Oh, like this. Yeah, this is what I remembered on the Coconut Mall. I mean, if it looks better, it definitely would perform a lot better, right? So I definitely don't have any objections to that, because it literally just makes it easier to work on the game. So why not? So right here we just have like a speed zone, where if you stand on it you get moved really fast. Honestly, I kinda like that. I like that a lot better. Let's do it. Performs better and it might look better. I mean, if Biomax suggests it, it's gotta look better, right? And it would perform a lot better. Let's do it. Fuck it. So now we just gotta find a texture. You would assume the game would be more like Sunshine in terms of American called you would assume the game builds more around the Yoshi Island concept. I don't like island stuff, just like Sunshine built around the Crab Island theme. But I like the bunch here for the sec more anyway. So your complaint is that it's not like Sunshine because the name is kinda like Sunshine? I don't even think the name is kinda like Sunshine. I hard disagree with what you're saying. Alright, I'll let you make the texture. They should put Super Mario Sunshine to the Wii. I disagree. That would be insanely silly. Check duration, here we go. You know, with how exhausted I was today, I thought that streaming would just kill me, but I'm actually feeling pretty good right now. I'm just gonna use this as a placeholder. I don't like this as a placeholder on second thought, because it's not very good to UV map this. I want half an arrow. Yes. Quick glance at the colors, please. The ones in your image? Oh, you didn't message me. These here is pretty much what... this. You got Medieval Adventure, one of the Mule theme, and the rest is Tropical Jungle, Space Hell. I mean... I see it a little bit, yes. Shit, how do I make this geometry work? I mean, you're correct that we don't spend a lot of time actually being on Yoshi's Island, and more time just like exploring random worlds that have nothing to do with Yoshi's Island. I will agree on that point. I don't think that's a huge issue though. I mean, you just had a verse in your eyes. Why is it called Yoshi's Island? Because nobody can sing Yoshi. Well, I mean, the story is about saving the Yoshis. That's why. I think that's a perfectly valid reason to call it this name. Hello, Meat Chunk. You should call it Return to Boshi's Island so the expectation lowered. So you can see that you can recognize as the core framing device the story is built around. Like even if you go places that don't fit the theme, the story is still about saving Yoshi's Island. Yeah. The main island is like Yoshi's Island. Like the overworld is Yoshi's Island, pretty much. But I will agree that the title of the theme, the title of the game does not perfectly complement the actual gameplay. There's a slight disconnect there, but I don't think it's like a huge issue. Oh god, this is 30 FPS. Ah, you see that? I wanna vomit. I have to make this 60 FPS. This is, oh my god, you see that? This is not pretty. We are changing this. You didn't notice the FPS difference? Oh my god, that was insanely garbage for me. No, the backwards was just a bug. Yes, that's a springy palm. Mario 64 is still a game? Let's see it. I find this billboarded sprite really irritating, but it didn't look awful. Hello, Epic Meme Gamer. Why would you give this sub to Foxen, Meat Chunk? Unbelievable. When I exist, I am going to cry. Someone gifted you a sub. Oh, okay, okay. You are forgiven. But don't do it again. I'm kidding. Conflicting types for geo-animate arrows. Really? A sub from Beta. Holy shit, thank you for the gift. Since when do you just gift subs? 3 different tries sent your way? I'll look at them in a second. Oh no, you would. I've seen today that they're releasing the new furry movie on the date 6/21. I had to Google it. If you ever see that number in my search bar, let it be known. It was because I was looking for what people are referencing, not because I was looking for that website. I want it to be known to everyone. It looks so good for a fan remake. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is a Skyrim Oblivion thing. Yeah, I might play that. Alright, Jinxie, let's see what you got. Alright. I still think the hue of the underlying thing here is too red. It should be more in the purple sector. Also, we can cut the texture in half here and save on the TMM time. I'd also like to be some detail on the back. I mean, I'm not sure if you've seen the palm texture before. Which, I like this texture a lot here. I mean, I like the pattern on yours. But I like a lot how this looks with like a little bit of detail, but still very clean. So this would be perfect. Can someone ban this annoying little shit? I'll just do it. Bye bye. I don't know what that was. Maybe I have to use scroll bit flag too, I don't know. I think I just kept posting links, it was very annoying. Hello, Magic. I am not doing fine. I am very exhausted. I'm feeling sick. Now it's at 11. Okay, stop sending me links. I'm not gonna click on your shit anymore. I just don't want to. Okay, I need Skullbit Flag 2 instead of 1. Three hours of sleep? Oh god. I would never go on 3 hours of sleep. This is not what I wanted. Maybe we should just copy what this does. This should be 30 FPS too. Yes, there we go. Now we've got one at 60 FPS. We still have to scale the speed with the frame rate so that the physics are consistent with this. You'd be happy if you had 3 hours? Why? Sleeping less than 8 hours is just stupid. Or at least 7.5. Why would you ever want to sleep less than that? Turns out we get this as well. The gameplay looks like a full PS2 shooter. Well, 10 hours, that's too much. I think going above like 8 hours or 8.5 hours is bad for you again. I mean, I guess it's also person dependent to some degree. Actually, the causation could be the other way around. That people who are very unhealthy sleep 10 hours rather than 10 hours sleep is unhealthy. Wouldn't be surprised. Sleep 11 hours a day? Yeah, that's not good. It might be better, I don't know. Alright, now we gotta make it so that if you stand on this, it moves you in the direction of the texture. Yeah, how do we do that? It's not the direction of the face normal, I know that much. We might have to just use a texture type with a force, or just make a force ourselves. Oh, set the color burn. Oh yeah, this is way better. I mean, now I think you moved it too far to blue. It's still missing all the details from the old palm texture, which is the thing I dislike about this. Right, this palm was beautifully detailed. It looks pretty cool though. This might be better than what we had before. Alright, let's program a new custom collision type that sets the direction. You live in Quebec? I'm very sorry to hear that. Stone seems fitting. Particles 9. Ah shit. We just have a prop field. We don't actually have like an attribute to the property. Do we have to hard code a direction for every collision type? Tree bug is good then. I like it. Some detail added would be... Actually, I don't even think a detail should be added. Let me look at it in game in a bit. I want to look at this first. Right, there's all kinds of camera effects we can specify, but nothing here. So you just have to use a bunch of collision types here. That sucks. Oh, I could like destine a series of these. The collision type starts with F, we do like a certain thing. That could work. We don't need this. Okay, we already use F0. So E0 to EF. You came here from Bethania, welcome to the stream. Are you barely alive? Because I am feeling very sick today. How do you do this shit again? Reference for underwater section. Underwater section, there's none. This looks very good though. Some detail like that outside would be beautiful, but I just don't know if I have the polygons. So you check your motor and shift T the second by 3 looks really good, but I think you can't. Let's see. This is the first one, looks nice. And this is the second one. If you multiply them and shift T the second one by 3. And shift T of the second one by 3, it looks really good, but I think you can't. Trying to comprehend what exactly this would look like. So it would be this arrow here moving upwards and then the gradient moving side to side, or like moving up and down. Check this code. Ah, okay, so you have these two scrolling at different speeds. Yeah, this one's a 64 by 64, which is a bit too big for that to work. Donation time from Beta. Thanks for the donation. Nice. This one might have to be a 32 by 64 bio. I'm sorry to do it to you. But yes, this is a really cool idea. I like it a lot. Wait. Biomech, before you do anything. I have an idea. Can you edit this texture in a way that it's black and white, and instead of blue there's black, and instead of white instead of orange there's white? Because then I can make this thing work. Right, there's just two colors, so we can just transition between two colors using a grayscale texture. Hello, Maui. This is what I'm thinking. Alright, let me finish my programming here, and then we'll do that. Beautiful song. Unfortunately, I was too busy thinking about this to sing along. I'm very sorry. You might have an even sicker idea. Alright. Yo, Evil Kong. Thank you for the bits. Very, very nice of you. Someone called me a Nazi for donating Erika again, as usual. I really liked the Beastar song last time. That one sounded really good, but it got me copyrighted. Well, that did nothing. Did I even export? I don't think I did. Hello, Neovim. Hello, Legend. Pain. Okay, I'll just kill Mario as soon as we get on, and then we slowly make this work. Do you like black people? Like, are you asking if there are black people in the world that I like? Or are you asking if I like every single black person on the planet? Oh wait, this is the wrong way around. Should be 0x0f. Tree's looking good? Yes, I like him. Okay. That guy just said a very bad word. I think we should ban him. Looks pretty cool, I think. Cry about it. You crashed the file section by dying. Did you get around to finding a solution? I didn't know you could die. That's funny. No, the actual solution is to make the player unable to die, I think. You were not supposed to be able to die there. Yes, he did just get automodded for saying the N-word. I think that ban was warranted. I even gave him a chance, but... Yeah, you just automatically get modded for saying it. No. Okay, so this function is not being executed. Oh, I was missing this. That was an empty statement. That was after my start. Okay. Alright, this will work now. We're getting there. We set up the function here. Someone said it and they got banned. That's all I can have. Should not be very controversial to ban someone like that. Wait, the placeholder texture doesn't work? What? It doesn't look good? You don't like my placeholder texture? Inconceivable. Yeah, I'm not upset at you. What the hell am I looking at? I mean, it looks cool, but what the hell am I looking at? Thank you for the donation, Citria.
Doing Beta's mom.
Oh, it's Beta's mom. So I'm not really sure what to do with this.
Jeans. I approached her in the checkout line and said, "Yo, baby, what's up?" She had 2 gallons of milk and I was staring at her jugs. 5 minutes later, she agreed to get with me, so we went and robbed a minivan like giggity, giggity, giggity. I was riding your mom, which is Mario Kart. I gave a lift back to her.
Is this the intention?
She invited me in the house and we started making out again. How many times I tapped that ass? Over 9,000. Yeah, she called me.
I don't like this.
Doing your mom.
I mean, it might work with the original texture. Oh, it's over. How sad. Is this the idea, Bioback? It doesn't work. So you're about to point with a very small gradient texture on it. I think I like the original idea better. I mean, this looks awesome, right? Don't you agree that this looks awesome? Or is there any change you want to make to this? I can change the gradient texture too. And I can scroll the gradient texture. Yeah, we uploaded what? You'll see. I will see, okay. Setting expectations high. New level is going. I don't know how fast 64 decides whether to write the layer 1 there or not, but here we go. They re-uploaded it. I don't know what this is. Alright. This is also cool, Bio. Oh, it's this one. Are you planning your levels and designs for the challenges? It's complicated. I can't just tell you in 2 seconds. It's a banger. Guys, shut up, please. I don't know what to think about this. It looks kinda sick. I don't think this is the texture that BioBag wanted though. Like something about this seems off. Did I not mirror the texture as intended, maybe? I mean, now we know that the idea is like gonna be working very, very well. We just need to find the correct textures now. Yeah, I don't think this should be mirrored. Actually, it doesn't make a difference if it's mirrored or not. Tell me if you like this and I'll send the final textures. It's... The question I have is how is this gonna be animated? Guys, there's a song request playing. I'm not playing another song over it. Stop annoying me, please. Meme review. Emerald and Girl and Submission. Oh, I've seen this one before. I like it. Okay, now I can play the other song request. Now that you guys have your mental breakdown over. Great, it's doing your mom again.
Doing your mom, doing your mom, doing your mom, doing your mom. You know we straight with doing your mom, 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 doing your mom. You know we straight with doing your mom.
Okay, but what's the animation here, Bio? Is this gonna be animated at all? Does it need to be animated?
You know we straight with doing your mom. I'm doing your mom, yes yours. First order in the Walmart, picking out your drawers. Big Dolly Parton hair like an 80s prom queen, but her ass was looking good all up in them mom jeans. I approached her in the checkout line and said, "Yo, baby, what's up?" She had 2 gallons of milk and I was staring at her jugs. 5 minutes later, she agreed to get with me, so we went and rocked the minivan like giggity, giggity, giggity. I was riding your mom like a Mario Kart. I gave her
You had a really funny idea?
a cow with a star. She invited me in the house and I
No, we're not doing an N64 test. If we were doing an N64 test, I would say that. I don't want to bother with N64 tests on stream. Too many things that can go wrong. That does look kinda sick. Not gonna lie. Mario should probably go up a bit slower, right? Or is the speed of Mario good? I don't know. I think I want Mario to go at the speed of the arrows here. Yeah, so it needs to be a bit faster.
Sometimes she even likes to fool around and go bad. She likes rough sex with handcuffs, and I'll be honest, she likes me to Chris Browner when she acts like Rihanna. So therapeutic, and I need to cure my restlessness. Mount about your mom's restlessness. I didn't want to tell you, but I had to write the song. Cause I'm in your house every night doing your mom.
Point filter it, so each circle is 1 pixel of the arrow. Oh. I can only point filter the whole thing at once though. I don't know if this is a render bug or if this will actually look so horrendous or not. What OS? Windows. I mean, it's an interesting effect, but not what we want. Alright, back to lo-fi. Did you make study for how to use Blender and how to code computer theory? I want to become like you. To learn Blender, I just opened the documentation page 1 and started reading. You don't need to study anything. You can just self-teach, but I'm an exception. You should probably not ask me. I learn very differently. Where's Leela tonight? That's a good question. Did she sleep in? You threw her down the stairs? That is a little bit mean. Okay, the speed seems about right. I can scroll pixel by pixel, yes. Wait, but how do you want it to scroll? You're not using my arrow texture? Yes, I'm not. Because I had a way higher resolution arrow by using a different strategy. And your texture was not using the same strategy. Why? What's wrong with this one? Are there any fixes I should apply to this one? The point is that it's low resolution. Okay. Well, I have to change my entire combiner if I do this. But I can do that. Well. So texture code. Small arrow. We probably don't want vertex colors on this, so I just combine color 0, 0. Bugbig sent me some settings here. He set this to CA8. That doesn't work on such a small text. Actually, that does work. Never mind. But it doesn't save anything. Your S high and T high are very fucked up. That doesn't work. And this one you have at -4 on both. So this is what you want? This is looking weird. I mean, I'm definitely different Blender version than you. But in principle it should be the same thing. It probably only looks different because I'm on a different Blender version. Or a different FAST64 version, there's always some render bugs. The only thing you need is that each repetition of the circle texture is 1 pixel of the arrow texture. Okay. And then we point filter it, right? I see your plan now. That is a very cool idea. But then how do I scroll it properly? Hey Lila. This is the plan? Pixel 1 pixel or 16? Yeah, that's what I have here. I think I did exactly what you asked me to. I mean the scrolling... oh. But the floor is also scrolling. If the floor doesn't scroll, how is this an escalator? And how is it not animated anymore? What the fuck? This looks very wrong now. How come? What did I mess up? Should you much better scroll like this? Okay, but then it's not an escalator anymore, is it? It wouldn't feel like an escalator anymore. It would feel like a blinking LED that is just stiff on the floor. I don't like that part. It's like a booster in Mario Kart. I think they also move smoothly. I don't know. I'm not convinced by this. Kinda prefer the old setup. Also, something about this is just very, very wrong. I have to wonder if this is a Glyden bug. Because I know that when you do pixel filtering, the UVs are slightly offset. Let me check this in Parallel Launcher. Oh my god, can you please shut the fuck up? Please! Leave me alone, Parallel Launcher. Every single time I open this program. How am I supposed to find any hack in this? Is this my hack? I don't know. I hate this emulator. That's the wrong ROM. Amazing. How am I supposed to find the right ROM here? I guess I just had to guess until it works. Yeah, so that's a Glyden bug. Well, my C buttons are fucked on here. I don't like this. Can we please come back to the old one? I'll just let Cozy Snow real quick. Because it's a shitty emulator, I'm gonna go back to the old one. I don't like this. It's bugged in the graphic plugin that I want to support, and I actually don't think it looks better, so... I think I want to go back to the line as well. I am sorry to ruin your work, Bioback, but there's too many bugs associated with doing it the other way. I'm used to it. Eh. I lost the texture scroll again. Oh, that's why. How's day? How's... yeah, not good. I had to skip my workout today. I couldn't do it. I haven't skipped the workout in so long today. I did 2 reps of deadlift and inside I realized my brain can't take it today. And I'm trying not to get annoyed by stupid shit today. I really gotta get better at that. Your coworker has coach? Yeah. Not allowed to touch some of this shit ass. From what I know. From what I've just been told on Discord, it's still shit. Yeah, so this works. I just want to edit the light texture a little bit. Want me to bring some food home? Yes, that would be very nice. Why is it so dark? Fish or sandwich? I don't know. Whatever you prefer. In-game it's so much darker than this. That's kind of what it looks like in-game. It's stupid that at Zena's restaurant the cooks can't take food home for free, but if they cook something wrong they can take it home for free. So technically the correct strategy would be to on purpose cook it wrong. That's exactly what you did to get free pizza. Dude, why is there so many black spots? I just wanted them to be darker, not black. Did I do something wrong to make this black? I must have. Oh, because it's a 2 by 32. This wasn't my mistake. BioBack gave me the texture broken. A 2 by 32 i4 does not work. You need at least 16 bytes per line. So this needs to be 16 by 32. Or better yet, 16 by 16. That's something only hardcore nerds will understand. There we go. This will look a lot better. I know that it is simple. Lost the N64 calculation matrix, just like anything else. Okay, how is this now? Maybe the blue should be a bit darker. I'm happy with this now though. I mean, it was 96, but I couldn't have known. Why do you think it will look bad on N64? This is what the Rayman rocks were for, by the way. Texture's too small. Oh, this part. Yeah, I guess you won't really see that on N64. I mean, you will still see the arrow though. So I don't think that's that bad. So new Super Scuff Palm leaf texture? A leaf texture? How would you do that? Oh, this wouldn't work. The palm leaf texture is just a yellow. Wait, I can show you. Wait. This is what the palm leaf texture looks like. Let's see to be darker. Yeah. I only made them so bright because of the issues before. Doing this will look a lot better, I think. Go back to BioBack's original idea. He did make this one after all at first. I'm sure he had the reason to make it this bright. Oh yeah, that's better. It's orange. I am not colorblind now. Feelings are too similar? Yes, we will still replace some textures and add some variation to them. And of course there will be more rainbow, but right now I'm just like making geometry. That's why these all have the same colors. So I think we want to get rid of these, but I don't know what to put in their place. We could also add more of the speed panels. I might just make a space level at some point, yes. I mean, the speed panel over here wouldn't be so bad. Between the houses. I would kind of like that actually. We could even make it a one-way. Yeah, I'm gonna add one here. Have you actually made like plans with Orbit so you can jump in and out of this before? I have not. We'll need 3 different surface types here because they all have different angles, but that's okay. God, I have such a big headache today. If I had a headache, I could have lasted 3 days. Okay, that looks cool to me. Well, it's blue or purple, I can't tell. Define blue and purple. If you take a white piece of paper and you shine a red light on it, is the paper red or is it white? What is it, Jinxie? White perceived as red? You might still perceive it as white, because all the surroundings are red as well. You might perceive it to be unclear, the color. So you define color as the perceived color that is being reflected when you shine a white light on the thing. Yeah, that's a pretty good definition. But then, how do we define color in video games? There's no real light being shined onto it. Unclear is not a color. Well, yeah, but there are light conditions where, for example, you couldn't tell whether something is blue or black. Is a chrome metal? I don't know what that means. We can definitely do environment maps. Trick question, all colors perception? Yeah. That's what I'm saying. It's hard to define color. Alright, I'm pretty happy with our elevator now. So I actually wanted to start working on the main building today here. The one up there. Hello TK64. I don't think I'm gonna start working on it today. I have a really big headache. I kinda wanna go off stream and relax a bit. I do need a break. We're gonna start working on the building tomorrow then. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. That's it for today. Bye bye.